All right, going to be taking a look at HEMP, hemp. This is a one that is extremely popular over here on Investors Hangout. It gets talked about quite a bit. So on the 22, I said watch for a move on Monday. That was going to be 22. So that was going to be okay. So when I went over here and looked at it the last time on this bar, I said watch for a move on Monday. Look at what happened. Boom, straight up, right out of the gate. I mean, I can't, like, a lot of people be like, see, I called it, it just ran. No, I can't say that because it's not the kind of move that I want. I want to, because look at what happened the next day. This isn't what you guys want. I remember back when, I used to trade, everybody be like, gap and run Monday. Guys, you don't want gap and runs. It's just nonsense. It's just pump crap. You guys want to see nice and steady. You guys want to see this stuff open and a nice steady move up. You don't want a gap and run. A gap and run, you know what happens? Look at what happens. You guys gapped and ran, and you gapped and down the next day. Don't want that crap. You guys want nice and steady gains. So what you're going to be looking for now is this. You've got the 10-day right here and the 20-day simple moving average under here. You got this box. Okay, let's go ahead and draw that up here. You got this box right there is going to be between the 10 and 20-day simple moving average. Everywhere, these things, I mean, everybody's got their own setup, right? Everybody has their own setup. I mean, like I was talking about earlier, these charts, you use them the way that you can. Everybody has their own setup, and what works for you might not work for somebody else. So that HEMP, watch for it to start pulling back down to this 10-day simple moving average. Okay, nice and steady move down to the 0477. 0476 area. If that doesn't hold, you guys could walk your way down to the 20-day simple moving average. Will that happen? It's too early to tell right now. It depends on coming down to the. It always comes down to that volume down there. It comes down to that volume, and that's what it's going to be playing on. I think that's going to rest on the 10-day simple moving average. Again, by the time it gets down there, where this one, I'm going to say 0468, 0468. So let me type that in here real quick. 0.0484. On hold to test 10-day simple moving average at 0.0484, 0468. That is all I have to add for the chart. Joe, what do you got?
All right, so I was looking at their latest press release, and it was from January 19th, 2017, and it was North Carolina Industrial Hemp Commission set to finalize proposed rules and regulations on grown industrial hemp in North Carolina. So that one, if you want to pull it up, David, I mean, it's all right there for you too. So that's why it's always good to pull it up so people can see it firsthand. This one right here, I basically read through it really quick, and basically what happened was the North Carolina, they have obviously a hemp commission because it's kind of all been in the works for a bunch of different things. But anyways, it's basically stating that they're only a few weeks away from finalizing the rules and regulations on the cultivation of hemp in North Carolina since it last convened on December 22nd, 2016. So according to the article, NC nears finalizing rules regulating the growing of hemp published on 1/12/17 on the website wncn.com. About 80 people interested in the hemp industry attended the public forum to comment on a proposed rules last week. The commission will accept written comments on or about rules through January 27th. So today's the last day. People could obviously go and submit comments to the this commission, and hopes to finalize the rules and regulations next month. Licenses could be issued as soon as spring. Once finalized, the commission will be able to accept applications and issue permits to people to grow hemp as part of the state's pilot program. So if I go down to this one right here, so I mean they have the 1 minute daily video updates from Hemp Incorporated. See it right there? Are you on it? I've
Which
been
one
on it
was it,
now.
Joe?
Oh, recent news from the 19th right there. That one. So now see if you go down to right there, see the 1 minute daily video updates from Hemp CEO Bruce Perlin on the final.
Yep.
See, so they're on the final phases of the completion of the Hemp Incorporated 70,000 square foot industrial hemp processing facility and milling operation and other developments. So I mean, these guys, they have a lot of things going on. So it's all a matter of time. I mean, I can see this. They're kind of at a standstill. Not necessarily. It's tough to say because
Right.
I mean, they've already approved it all, North Carolina. So now they're more or less just finalizing different rules to set for for this to actually begin, which is we're pretty much getting there
Okay.
on
So
that. They're on that timeline.
right, and like I said, the link that could bring you to all this information will be in the description below. Again, I mean, I put in here 0484 on hold. Test the 10-day simple moving average is starting to come down to that area. So I mean, this is my opinion. It will go down there. I really feel that it will. It's not all bad news. You gotta just track a little bit. So, all right, HEMP. If you follow this one, head over to investorshangout.com. Check out the board, and you can get all this data for free.